Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires with friends using an easy method. First, make sure everyone has the exact same version of the game installed. This is crucial for compatibility and avoiding connection issues. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. A wired connection is often best for online gaming. We'll focus on using the in-game multiplayer lobby, which is typically the most straightforward way to connect with your friends for epic battles. To host a game, begin by selecting the multiplayer option from the main menu. Then, choose Host Game to create your session. You'll be able to customize various settings like map type, starting resources, and victory conditions. Remember to give your game a clear name and consider adding a password if you only want specific friends to join. This ensures a private and controlled gaming environment for your group. Joining a friend's game is just as simple. From the multiplayer menu, select Join Game. A list of available lobbies will appear. Look for the game your friend created, identified by its unique name. If your friend set a password, you'll need to enter it correctly to gain access. Once you've found it and entered any necessary credentials, simply click to join the session and prepare for battle alongside your allies. For the best experience, clear communication is key. Use voice chat or in-game messages to coordinate strategies. Try to ensure everyone has a reasonably similar internet connection speed to minimize lag for all players. Also, close any unnecessary background applications on your computer before playing. This frees up system resources, helping to ensure a smoother and more enjoyable Age of Empires session for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.